leaking right here. There's most likely a crack up there as well, but this is really bad. It's sewage water.
I mean you, not Sam.
Oh, me? Oh, well, thank you. So we got this right here. That's the top of a clean out plug right there. Big old crack. All right. So now we're gonna glue it in. That's ABS. We got the no hub band. All right, let's do it. Look at that pitch. You can visualize. I don't even need a level. No hub band. We'll strap it, and that's it. Tighten those up. This is the only cast iron piece in here. It just seemed like it was sagging a little bit, so I just wanted a little extra support right here. So that's it.